Have you ever seen one of these instruments before? Is it a ukulele? Is it a banjo? It's both. It's called a banjolele or a banjo uke. It's ukulele from the neck all the way up to the headstock, tuned G, C, E, A, just like you would tune a standard ukulele. But of course the body is completely different. Ain't she sweet? See you coming down the street. Well, I ask you very confidentially, ain't she sweet? So this banjo uke sounds so different because this bridge here transfers the string vibration to this stretched drum-like head, as opposed to the wooden soundboard and the hollow body of a standard uke. So it comes down to the songs you would like to play. I find with this instrument, as opposed to a more standard ukulele like this, the kinds of songs I'm going to play are going to be different because this one is brighter, this one is more mellow. So you can play any song on both of these instruments. You can play the same song on this one and the same song on this one, but of course it's all about the sound. So the kinds of songs I would want to play on this one, I think have a bit more character, a bit more life to them. Just got home from Illinois, like the front door, oh boy. Got to sit down, take a rest on the porch. Let's see what that'll sound like on this instrument. Completely different. Still okay to play. Just got home from Illinois, like the front door, oh boy. Got to sit down, take a rest on the porch. If you're looking to liven up your ukulele playing, this one is a fantastic instrument.